You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. This is the first video for the year 2023 and I want to say a very big congratulations to every one of us that make last year 2022 a remarkable one and also growing the channel up to 24.9k subscribers. So happy new year to all subscribers and every member of the community. I so much appreciate you guys' support and all you're doing for the academy success. So thank you so much and happy new year. In today's video, I'm not going to spend more time here, but if you look at what is happening on the charts since we entered the new year, that's about 4 days ago now, we've seen a little bit of move to the upside. And remember, in one of my videos where I was talking about that between the first quarter of this year, that is January to March, we're going to experience a little move to the upside. And right now, what I am expecting, since the market did not actually break this level of support, this very area right here of support, you see this market stop at this very point and we begin to see the market move from here to the upside. So I am expecting the market to continue its movement upward, expecting the market to break this very level of resistance right here to the upside. I'm paying attention to markets continue this move to the upside in the next coming days, and your target should be at 17,400. that is at this very area right here, 17,400 level at this very point to the downside. This should be your first target because this market can actually move significantly to the upside. And like I said in that very video as well, I said markets will not move aggressively to the downside. I think I made mention of that repeatedly in several of my videos on this channel, and the same thing I am seeing right now. Don't expect aggressive move to the upside as well because this is January and market have not actually stabilized, and we have to see that stability in the market before such heavy move in the market will come into play. So pay attention to market moving to the upside. I am expecting the market to move for the upside. That means it's going to break this level of resistance that we are seeing right at this area on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart here, you see the market's at resistance. It's a very strong resistance. This was support at this very point. We have support, resistance here. We have resistance here. We have resistance at this very area. And then if you look at here, resistance as well. So this market is actually being resisted at this area. Market is going to come back down. What I am expecting is a little bit of move to the downside before the retracement, then market continue to the upside. But pay attention to this breakout, guys. It's very important. That is what you should be paying attention to right now. A breakout on this level of resistance. Remember, this resistance is a very strong resistance. So a breakout here is going to send the market back to the upside, and you need to pay attention to a significant bullish candle that will break this very level of resistance. And once that breakout happens, expect the market to continue this move to the upside, and this is what you should pay attention to. The same thing on ETH. If you look at ETH very well, if you from here, from this point to this very area is an important level where the market is finding resistance from this very area, and that's very important also for the market to actually retrace back down. I talk about this very market breaking out on this very resistance right here, which we see resistance from this very point, resistance here, resistance here, resistance at this area, then a breakout, market move up. Now one thing very important is market will not move more than this very level at this very point for retracement to come in, and that is why we are seeing this very retracement coming in right now, about touching this very area of resistance. So expect the market to retrace on ETH in as much as we've seen a breakout from this level of resistance. Expect a retracement, just a little retracement to the downside. We'll be actually coming into this level of resistance to turn support from this very area. Then market is going to move to the upside, and your target should be between this level. First target at this area of 1279 at this very point, and your second target can be this very area of 12 0.92. Okay, these are the two targets that you should expect after retracement. Market should come back into on the immediate short time on ETH. Very, very important, guys. This is what I am paying attention to. And on the Matic chart, the 1 day chart Matic here, if you look at this chart very well, something very, very interesting is that there is a divergence, and that also means that if you have figured out this divergence earlier, you see there's a divergence here after the formation of this very candle, which confirms the divergence. And if you take a trade from this very point, then that means you should be in profit right now. Does that mean it is late to take a trade here? No, you can actually take a trade after the close of this candle as well for market to still move to the upside. On Matic right here, I'm looking at the market moving to the upside. On Matic right here, I'm looking at the market moving to the upside because we see divergence here, and this is a bullish divergence. That means lost in bearish momentum from this area. After the divergence, the market begin to move bullish to the upside. So this is a bullish divergence, and expect this market to still continue to the upside to about 0.85 level at this very area. This is where I'm expecting this market to move into as a result of this very divergence that we are seeing on the chart. This is very, very important on Matic. And what do you think about BTC USDT 1 day chart? Do you think the market is going to continue to the upside as I'm talking about right now, or we're going to see a drop? Because next Friday is the NFP, which is going to impact on the market slightly. What do you think about the markets? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.